Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a new palette look. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look today for work, then stay tuned. Let's get started. So in order to prep my face, I'm going to be using the Derma E Vitamin C Serum all over. This is a wonderful, refreshing serum. Make sure that you also put it on your neck as well. Because the humidity has been so high in Maryland this week, I'm going to be using the NARS Tinted Moisturizer. The color is St. Moritz, and I'm using a MAC paddle brush, which is one of my favorite foundation brushes. I'm taking the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil in shade number 4. Brush your eyebrows before you start to pencil them in, create the arch, and then if you have to retouch after your makeup, then do so again. So after completing my brows, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Make sure that you shake your bottle prior to using so that you get it all mixed up. I spray right after my foundation and setting powder so that that will stay prior to putting on bronzer, highlighter, and eye makeup. Taking the NARS Creamy Concealer and Vanilla and highlighting the underbrow. My bottle's pretty empty, so I'm kind of smearing quite a bit on. If you have a new tube, then it's not really you're just gonna need a couple dots and that's it. The brush that I'm using is the number 15 Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the travel size. I'm using the Lock-It setting powder from Kat Von D, and I'm just taking a light powder brush and brushing over. It's not baking or anything like that. It's just touching up a little bit of the glow from the Tinted Moisturizer. Now to put a base on my eyelid, I'm using the MAC Pot in the color Painterly, and I'm just dabbing that on my eyelid and smearing it out a little bit to cover my lid in preparation for eyeshadow. So I have a scratch on the side of my face, so I'm taking a concealer in shade 5.5 from Philosophy. It's the Miracle Worker Stick, and just buffing that out with my previous foundation brush. So we're gonna try this guy out today. See how pretty, pretty. Has a very nice mirror. All right, I'm gonna take my trusty and go in with this one. So I'm prepping my eye with the lightest shade that's in the palette, and then I am going to take the Makeup Forever Aqua XL eyeliner in shade M10, which is the black, and do the under eye lid. If I do put liner on my under eye lid, I always do it prior to doing my eyeshadow because I have contacts and my eyes are sensitive. So in order to do that, I do it prior to. Taking the Morphe taper blending brush and going in with this pink shade to get a transition color and blending that out. Taking a darker shade now and putting it in the corner of my eye to pack on some color and then to blend that out. I'm taking a reddish brown color and packing that on as well and keep on blending. When you're trying to get the perfect color, just continue to keep blending and blending and blending to spread that out, and it makes all the difference in the world if you just take your time and blend. Now I am taking a smudge brush and taking that burgundy color and going right under my eye to use as an eyeliner and smudge that out. This is from the Sephora collection and it was in a quad pack that I purchased. Now, even though I did use that Makeup Forever Aqua XL eyeliner on my under eye, I'm still going to put the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner on the bottom as well, just to eyeline. It is in the shade Lucky and is one of their brand new colors. I'm taking the Too Faced glitter glue and I am putting that on from the corner of my inner eye to the middle of my lid, and so I can pack on some shimmer from the palette. It helps to adhere to your eye and stay in place. When using this glue, you do have to work fast because it dries really fast. So do one eye at a time. Once you apply that, take the taper brush and just soften any harsh edges on the top and in between colors in the middle of your eye. Just keep on blending. Then I'm going to take, of course, my favorite eye cream, which is the Clarins Total Restorative Eye Cream, and just dabbing that a little bit on the bottom of my eyes. I love, love, love this cream. I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Rich Amber. This is from their newer collection, and I love this bronzer. I am in love with all of this formulation. Taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light brush and buffing that on. Then I'm taking the little Tarte eye brush, taking some of the highlighter from the palette and doing my inner corner under my brow and softening that up a little bit. Now taking the other color, which is the golden color from the palette, and again using the other end of the Kat Von D Shade and Light brush and putting on some highlighter on my cheekbones and above my brow bone. Again, taking the Kat Von D setting powder and chiseling out the bottom of my cheek to make that bronzer pop. Once that sets for a few minutes, then just brush that away with a powder brush. Then I'm taking the new two lip toppers and figuring out which color I want to use. I'm going to use the more burgundy color rather than the pink. And we're going to try that out today. This is an awesome formula. It is supposed to be a lip topper, but it goes on well as just like a lipstick. And I can't tell you how many compliments I got on this the day that I wore it. Again, here's the limited edition packaging, and I believe it is only available at Ulta. I'm going to take the Dry Bar Buttercup Mini Flat Iron and flatten my hair. This is great for traveling as well as for short hair girls. Yeah, you know who you are, those pixie cuts. It works fabulous, and don't let the size fool you because it is a great flat iron. this is one of my new favorite mascaras, which is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. It is very nourishing on your eyelashes. It doesn't flake during the day, and it does not run, which is awesome. Girls, you gotta try it out. So lastly, to freshen up my hair, I am going to be using the Redken Wax Blast, and that's just to lay down any flyaways and to shape it up just a tad. So this is my finished look for today. A little bit of glitter and a little bit of shine, if you can see that. And that's on Milani. Again, this was using the Milani Gilded Desires palette. And again, this is what it looks like. Ta-da! Includes eyeshadows and highlighters in there as well. And the new Milani Holographic Lights lip toppers. They're toppers, but I don't want to use it as a topper. I just use it as a lipstick, and I like it. So there we are. Put some black on and head to work. Again, thank you so much for watching, and as always, everything will be listed below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. As always, thanks so much, and God bless.